Normally we used to give our Gmail account and phone number details in many websites. To log into many websites we use Gmail ID or phone number. If you are giving your mail ID or phone number, some details will be stored in that website. Sometimes that data may get leaked. Even big companies' data has been leaked. So it is important to check whether our data is safe with them or not. In this video we will be telling about how to check whether our data given to websites has been leaked or not. For this you don't need to install any third-party application. What you need to do is open any browser. After opening any browser, search for Haveibeenpwned. When you are searching for that, you can see a result like this, Haveibeenpwned.com. Click on that website. When you are clicking on that, you will reach that website. Here you need to enter your email ID. After entering email ID, here you can see Pwned option. Click on this. When you are clicking on that, you can see every details. Here it is showing 3 data breaches are there. When you are scrolling down, you can see that details. One is from Canva, one is from Dubsmash, and another is from Gravatar. What you need to do is you need to go to these websites and you can delete your account. Here you can see what are the data compromised. For example, in Dubsmash, email address, geographical location, name, password, phone number, spoken language, username, these details has been compromised. Here under every section you can see compromised data details. Anyways, this way you can find out whether your data has been leaked or not. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.